Hello, Right Recipe for Travel family. It's Cynthia, your host. Welcome back to the show. Today's video will give you two great options for summertime travel that doesn't break the bank. It might not be officially summer just yet, but the heat is on and school is out. So we want to have options to do with our little ones that keep them occupied, they're having a good time, and you don't have to spend your mortgage payment. One of these options I'm sure we know all about, but it might be overlooked. The other option was a fun new adventure that I had never been on before. So come along with us. The right recipe for this travel, having an adventure with your little ones that they're having a good time, that they're having fun, they're occupied, and it doesn't break the bank. Don't forget to subscribe. Right Recipe for Travel is growing, and we thank you for being part of that family. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and tap on that notification bell so when we produce new videos, you will get notified right away. Thanks so much for being on this adventure with us. And so our adventure begins. Bahama Bucks. Let's take a look inside. Famous for their original shaved ice since 1990. Let's take a look at the decor. Cute, right? Do you feel like you've arrived in the Bahamas yet? Nice. And take a look at all of those flavors. This is going to be good. And the smiles say it all. Delicious. Tropical blue coconut, birthday party, and Nerds Rainbow. Just another day in paradise. All for under $25 for the four of us. Yeah, always a good time for days in the park, and it's a beautiful day, kind of cloudy and overcast, and it's not 100 degrees. Thank you very much. My kind of weather.